The development of technology is rapid and iterative. At the beginning, it was handwritten documents and manual orders. And then we had databases to build a complete system. Now it is the cloud technology. The wave of digitalization has swept every corner of life. Xprinter keeps up with the power of technology and brings more convenience to life. In the past 2 decades, Xprinter has devoted itself to the spirit of craftsmanship and dedication. With the world-leading R&D strength, advanced management concept, perfect whole industry chain supply system, and forward-looking marketing service network, Xprinter has become a large-scale, professional, intelligent, and international printed product manufacturer and service provider. We have reached strategic cooperation with many well-known enterprises at home and abroad, and have served more than 50 million users around the world. Science, technology, and innovation are accelerators toward a better future. We have established industry-leading R&D lab, formulated professional testing standards, and made technological breakthroughs in key indicators. The R&D team of more than 400 professional technicians is the foundation of Xprinter's extraordinary quality. Combined with the market demand, Xprinter has integrated the internet, AI, cloud computing, and big data, and other new technologies to create smart products that combine software and hardware, making printing more convenient. From smart technology services to self-development of core accessories, from data analysis to intelligent software and hardware, Xprinter breaks the barriers of core technology. More than 1,000 patented technologies bring honor to Made in China. With the professional strength continuously improving product performance, Xprinter has obtained multiple international authoritative certifications such as CCC, CE, FCC, BIS, CB, ROSE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001. It has successfully been awarded over 100 honors, including National High-Tech Enterprise, Top 100 Innovative Enterprises, Annual Outstanding Enterprise, China Thermal Printer Industry Development Achievement Award, Most Influential Printer Award, and First Prize of Science and Technology in Guangdong Province. We pay attention to every detail, provide a comprehensive user experience, adhere to customer-oriented needs, and create products that better understand users. Pursuing excellence, Xprinter reshapes the new pattern of the global printer market. Xprinter products cover 10 major categories: personal and home printing series, A4 printing series, cloud printing series, 58 and 80 thermal series, commercial and industrial thermal transfer series, 2-inch and 3-inch label series, shipment waybill series, portable printing series, handheld terminal series, panel and kiosk printing series. The products are widely used in over 30 major categories and more than 120 subfields, including personal working and study, finance and telecommunications, government affairs, medical services, catering, retail, supermarkets, express logistics, transportation, and more. With respect for technology and responsibility towards customers, we repeatedly refine and strive for excellence, perfectly integrating materials, processes, and technologies, with the sole aim of providing more professional products and personalized solutions to meet the diverse global user application needs. In China, Xprinter has nearly 500 marketing outlets all over the country, giving customers a complete one-stop service experience. Xprinter products are sold all over the world. Our sales and service network covers over 150 countries and regions. We currently have over 7,000 global partners, making us the top player in the global market for thermal receipt printers in 2022. The refined cultural values of Xprinter drive innovation and development. The Xprinter Business School offers employees a wide range of training opportunities. This sets the stage for group growth, talent development, and brand awareness. It's our key to staying ahead in the competitive market, attracting top R&D talent globally, innovating management methods, creating a solid cultural development system. Xprinter people are full of gratitude and never forget their original intentions. In 2013, Xprinter Foundation was established to devote itself to charity, pay attention to vulnerable groups in society, sponsor schools and children in need, and continue to spread the power of love. We are pragmatic and passionate. Connect technology with printers, allowing users worldwide to experience the beauty of printing. Innovation has improved the performance and made our printing more efficient. From complexity to simplicity, printing has become more convenient. Intelligence changing the lives of each one of us. We continue to respond to the demands of the times with our professionalism, dedication, innovation, and transcendence. Moving into the future, Xprinter hopes to create a better life with everyone. We drive development with innovation, lead the times and connect everything with technology. Let's lead a better world with smart printing.